Welcome to Tutorial Thursday, which was rescheduled from Tuesday because I was having a crash out moment and it just wasn't working for me. So we rescheduled till today. And here we are. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these custom water bottles. These are so simple to make. All you need is waterproof sticker paper. I got this from Walmart, but of course I can put a link down below where you can get it on my Amazon storefront. It's pretty cheap. You get 10 sheets. I was able to get 3 to a sheet. The design was already pre-made for me. You can go on Etsy or you can go on whatever site, Shopify, wherever you get your designs from. You don't have to get it from Etsy. And at some point, if you would like me to show you how to make a custom water bottle label or custom anything, comment down below and let me know what type of videos you like to see from me. We're going to start by going to our favorite place, Cricut Design Space. Okay, here you see that I have already uploaded my image into Cricut Design Space. The measurement of this for a water bottle is 8.03 by 2. So it is 8.03 in length and 2 inches in width. I just took my image and duplicated it, and that's what gave me 3 different images here. The only thing left to do is to make it. Once the option to print comes up on your screen, you're going to click that, send to printer, and we'll hit next. Now, you'll see here you have the options for your different printers if you have different ones set up. I'm going to turn the bleed off after selecting my printer, and I'm going to select System Dialog. Always select this because you want the option to change your media quality. You're going to change it to glossy photo paper, and if it doesn't automatically change to best, you want to change it to best. Now we're ready to print. Always double check your images to make sure they came out the way you want them. And now you're ready to cut. So we cut out our labels on the Cricut. And what we're going to do, because when you use sticker paper, if you just take the backing off and put it on the water bottle, these little ripples in the bottle will obviously be in the sticker. You don't want your sticker to come out wrinkly. So this is what I do with mine. I peel the sticker from the backing just on the ends. So we're gonna pull this down. If I can get it with these nails, child. Yeah, see me struggling. Okay, so I'm only gonna pull it down like that much. Then we're gonna take our scissors and we're gonna cut the plastic on the back. So we cut the backing. So now, I don't know if you can see where it's cut, you have a little bit of the sticky part to adhere to the bottle. I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite end. Now you have that. So then how I like to line it up, your water bottle has like a seam here that goes all the way to the top. That is where I'm going to line it up. So I am going to, first you wanna make sure that your label is right side up. These are removable, so I mean, it's not a big deal if you have to readjust it, but I'm gonna put it on this seam. You wanna make sure it's nice and level, nice and equal. You wanna make sure that it's nice and equal. So I'm gonna put it there and placing it right under the line of the water bottle, the top line of the water bottle, okay? And then smooth that down. Now you have this that is not sticky, so it's easy to just wrap it around and pull as tightly as you can, making sure to keep it under this top line of the water bottle. And just line it up. Right? Boom. Now you have your water bottle. It's just that easy. I appreciate you guys for joining me for another tutorial video that was supposed to be Tutorial Tuesday, but ended up being Thursday. And I hope that this video gave you the confidence to do something amazing with your Cricut. If you like this video, share it. And comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see from me in the future. And I'll see you in the next one.